What's up, family? Welcome to the channel. This is Michael here with Original Detailing, and today we want to show you guys how to clean your wheels. These wheels are very dirty, and we're going to use some of the products that we have on our website. We're going to be using our wheel cleaner. We're also going to be using our pump sprayer, and then also in the future we're going to show you how to restore the other wheel to a nice and good shine. So let's go ahead and start, guys. First, we're gonna go ahead and use our pump sprayer. Pump sprayer, it's already mixed with our shampoo. We're gonna be using our shampoo, and then we're also going to boost the power using our wheel cleaner. So let's go ahead and start. Here we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and start using our wheel cleaner. Wheel cleaner, it's safe to use on any type of wheels, so you can use it on any type of surface that you want. So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna go ahead and spray our wheel cleaner. Spray on the inside of the barrel, on the outside. Now you guys are gonna be able to see how the wheel cleaner, it's already pulling all of the brake dust that it's on the wheel, just like that. See, now we're gonna go ahead and grab our brush. Now this brush is gonna allow us to clean all of the inside of the wheel, clean all the barrel, and then we're also gonna grab a different brush so that we can clean the face of the wheel. So let's go ahead and start with this. Now let's prime our brush. There we go. Now this is going to allow us to agitate the product better. Now that we have the shampoo on it, you guys are gonna be able to see how it's pulling all the dust that it's been sitting, from driving on the road. And it's very easy to use, to clean the wheels. These wheels are actually very, very nice because they're a star, and the spokes are pretty white. So you can actually, stick your hand and then clean everything on the inside. And sometimes the wheels are not like that. So this brush right here is pretty awesome to use on most of the wheels. You guys are gonna be able to use this brush on most of your wheels, but for these wheels are just perfect. So much easier. Here we go. So now that the inside is already done, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the face of the wheel. Now the face of the wheel, it's going to be a little bit different. The brush that we used before, it's not going to be a good brush to clean the face of the wheel. That's why we're using this brush. Now this brush, it's very easy to use. All you do is you start, cleaning the outside of the wheel, the face, and then it's a lot easier to clean it with this brush. So a little bit more of, we're foaming. Pump sprayer is awesome. Makes everything very, very nice and easy, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and prime our brush. Here we go. A little bit more of the wheel cleaner, and just like that. So here we go, guys. Now notice how this brush can go here, 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 even around the bulb. It's very unique brush for the wheels. You must have this brush, to clean your wheels nice and easy. So here we go. Very, very good. Now the face of the spoke. Here we go. Here we go. If you guys have any comments, let us know on the comments down below. If you guys have any questions, or maybe we need to ask you guys questions. What's the worst that you don't, or what's the one of the things that you don't like to, to clean on your car? Let us know in the comments, and then maybe we can make a video with that for you guys. Okay, so here we go. Now that you guys see everything is nice and clean, we're gonna go ahead and grab another pump sprayer, and this one, it only has water, doesn't have anything else, just water. We're gonna go ahead and start removing everything. There we go. Let's go ahead and clean everything on the inside like that. Oh yeah, it looks great. Now stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna show you guys how to restore the shine on these wheels. Now that these wheels are nice and clean, we're gonna add some shine into them, and they're gonna look pretty awesome. I think the owner is gonna be pretty happy once we finish with the wheels. Here we go. I know there's a lot of foaming that we use for the wheels. That's why we're still getting, you know, some of the products. And plus I cannot see from this side, so I know that you guys can see here, but in my eyes I cannot see from that side. So I don't know if we still have, you know, a lot of product there, but I'm going to, you know, clean them with a microfiber towel. So that's gonna be your next step, guys. Our next step is going to be grabbing a microfiber towel. So as you guys can see, this towel is already used, and we're not looking for the cleanest microfiber towel, but you know, a nice and dry microfiber towel just to dry the wheels. So just like that. Here we go. Here we go. Clean all of those little areas. Here we go. Right here, here. See, this is what I was telling you guys. It's so much easier when the spokes are, you know, nice and you have a nice, you know, area to work on the inside of your wheels. And just like that, guys, it's a very simple, you know, process to do. If you guys have any questions, just let us know in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and put this towel away. See, we're still getting some of the product here and here, and the area that I cannot see, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. And there you go, guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments, and you guys can also visit our website, originaldetailing.com. We'll see you guys soon on the next video.